If you have an old bra or bustier and you'd like to throw it away, I recommend that you watch this video. I'm going to show you how to save the sliders and the rings from the bra as well as the underwire, so that you can use them in your next sewing project or to repair an existing bra. So I'm going to start by taking out the sliders from the straps. If the straps were not stained, I would keep them, but they have a discoloration. So what I'm doing is cutting the elastic instead of taking out the stitches to save time. So I'm going to extract the slider from the strap in this manner, and then I'll repeat the same step for the rings. Now, if you're from Kenya like me, you have to buy the straps online from AliExpress, and that's pricey. Or thrift a bra for like 20, 30, 50, 100 shillings just so you can get the straps. As a bra maker, I find it easier to save the straps and sliders and rings from old projects. So to take out the underwire, you can either cut through the underwire channeling using scissors or get a seam ripper, or maybe the bra had a hole in the underwire channeling, so you could just pull it out. You could nudge it from the center front to push it towards the hole so that it comes out a bit easier. Sometimes it takes a lot more effort. Please try not to bend the underwire in this process. Although, like, if it happens, it happens. You may be able to keep it for another project if it was your correct size. Check if there's chipping of the paint coating on the underwear itself, because if it's chipped, it's going to rust, so you might not get to enjoy the underwear a lot in the future. And if it's missing the end caps that help it to slide in and out of the bra, then you can replace that. I saw Liz Sews has a tutorial for how to recap the cut end of an underwire, so that's doable. So the seam ripper wasn't working to get into those stitches, and I'm not saving the underwire channeling, so I'm going in with the scissors after pushing the underwire further down so that I can get access to cut into this. This used to be a bodysuit, but I cut it into a bustier, no, like a bra-ish, and then the bottoms I saved to study. The cap volume was not my size. If you've been on my channel, you know that my cap size is 2 sizes smaller than the underwire size that fits me, so I usually have to take in the caps. I was planning to on this one, and then I realized it would be a lot more work than I planned on, especially because the fabric, the staining was too much. I thought I could handle it, but in the end I had to let go of it. It was sad, but it's okay, especially because it was a hand-me-down project. I need to bend the underwire to be flat again because I distorted it when I was removing it. Here I have from my old bra the matching rings and sliders and the underwires, which I can use in a future project. You can also save the straps if they're in good condition, the elastics if they're in good condition, and the bow decoration that comes at the center front, and the hook and eye closure that comes in the back. I also recommend reading the book by Norma from Orange Lingerie. It's called Demystifying Bra Fitting and Construction. I saw this as an idea in there, so it confirmed what I was doing was a good idea. I'll link it below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more stuff like this, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.